Hi everybody, Victor Guarisco from 50 Media. I'm really excited. I've got a big box here next to me. I just broke the seal on it and I know what it is. It's from a little company called Ozonics. I've been using Ozonics since 2015, the spring of 2015. I got the HR300 unit. I was a little skeptical at first and I put it to the ultimate test for me anyways, and that's black bear hunting. I love to black bear hunt. I've had plenty of bears. If you've black bear hunted, you know they live by their nose, and the big bears like to circle the baits. Sometimes you don't even see them circling the baits. They're just catching all the wind currents before they come in and commit. And I sprayed down, washed my clothes, keep clean body, and they still smell me. So I brought the HR300 up to camp with me in 2015. The very first night on stand, big bear came in, circled us twice, came all the way back around, right into the bait, gave me a 26-yard shot. I was able to harvest that bear, and I 100% know that if I did not have the Ozonics in the tree with me that night, that bear would have probably just stayed out until dark, and it would have been an unsuccessful hunt for me that year. So I was pretty excited about that, and I've been sold on Ozonics ever since that hunt in August of 2015. So I used my HR300 all the way up until this past fall with great success. Other bears, plenty of deer, and I love it. So I have upgraded and I have gone with the HR300. No telling how much more ozone it produces than my HR200. We also have the 230 model that replaced the 200, and this 300 produces 45% more ozone approximately than that unit. So both great units. I just wanted to go big, so I got the HR300, and it's going to be in the Bear Woods in about a week and a half in Northern Ontario. So I've got the neoprene cover for that, and you always got to have extra battery, so I get the XL battery. Did it with my 200. Highly recommended if you're going to get an Ozonics, or if you already have one and you don't have an extra battery, get an extra extended battery. In the deer woods, I could run both batteries and I could continuously have ozone running for about 10.5 to 12 hours continuously. So it was pretty awesome. And then I'm super stoked about this box right here, the Ozonics dry wash bag. Not owned one yet. Love the idea of dry washing your clothes with ozone, killing that bacteria. So I'll have this with me up in Canada, and then be putting it to the deer woods here in a few months in Indiana. So pretty excited about the dry wash bag. Love the portability of it. So I can just bring it right up into camp with me, dry wash my clothes, and they're all going to get ozone in contact with them and all my gear. And hopefully we'll have a big black bear to show you in a couple of weeks. So go to ozonicshunting.com. If you're kind of still teeter-tottering about whether to do it or not, do your research. Study ozone. It works. And then the application of Ozonics, #1 in the industry. They are the originals. So go with the best. It's direct to customer. It's going to save you money. Get Ozonics. Ozonicshunting.com. Thank you very much.